Good morning, guys. Good morning, and happy New Year's Eve. Guys, let me just edit this and put New Year's Eve because today I just wanted to do something that I've never done in my life. What I'm going to do today will leave a mark in UK49. I just want to destroy UK49. I'm not scared of them because yesterday I destroyed them. I remember I said to you guys 36 is coming, and it dropped like 36 and then they spin the other one and make it 39, which was correct 100%. Because remember, when I do a video, I do it in the morning like now, and then it's not like I do a video after the results. You guys, coach makes videos before results, and if results come, you guys, you see that this is genuine. Please, I'm saying this for the last time today. If you don't play and if you don't focus, don't say coach did not give us money for 2026. This is we are approaching 2026 January. You know how January is how tough January is. So this is the time for us to attack. Today is the day. I'm telling you guys, today is the day. If you don't watch this video to the end, even if you don't have data, maybe just try like to do screenshots. I don't know how we're going to do it, but this is what it is. And for those of you who still need the books, I'm not just saying, because this is my knowledge that I'm sharing in the books written down. I also share with the videos, but in the book it's more specified and it's something that you can take a paper and say, oh, okay, this is how it does this. Because sometimes when I do a video and then you've got the knowledge, it's very easy for you. It's not like someone who started now. You understand? So guys, I'm not going to say a lot of things. Actually, I wanted to write, then I don't know what's my pencil doing. I wanted to be writing. Okay. So guys, there's this number 19. There's this number 15. There's this number 21. There's this number 33. Do you see these numbers? These numbers did not drop. They were skipped. So if these numbers were skipped, please check these numbers. Write them down. Let's maybe write them down first. 19, 15, 21, 33. And mind you guys, this video is for UK49, original UK, and let me say main UK, and then there's this one for the Betway, but it's the same predictions. It's either you play on UK or you play on Betway. It's still the same. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the last two biggest digits from the previous results, which is 35. It's Gina today. They always give me Gina on the 31st. I know. And last year I killed here. This time also I'm gonna do it. I'm not meaning killing, like I mean I defeated here, because that's the person that is a problem. So let's go to that app, the blue app, for the result. This one I mean. Okay. So I'm going to take these numbers. 35 plus 46. Then I'll add the formula there, which is 55. Let's go to the calculator. You see, I'm going with you each and every step so that you guys can understand what coach is trying to say here. Okay, so we're in the calculator now. We're going to say 35 plus 46 plus 55. We get 136. 136, the first chord. Then we go now to the T results, which is 34 plus 39 plus 55. We get 128. 128. Perfect. Then now, because it's Gina, we're gonna apply this other strategy. We take the last two biggest digits, which is 35 plus 46. Then we multiply by 2. We get 127. You see there? Okay. Then we are not done yet. I'm going to use all strategies just to kill these guys. We take the bonus ball previous for lunch, which was 16. Our previous bonus ball was 16. So let's go to the calculator. Don't mind guys, this video is gonna be long. So you say 16, and then you go to the family of 6. You say plus 6 plus 26 plus 36 plus 46. You get 130. So once you get 130, you multiply by 7. You get 406. Perfect. I'm going to use all my strategies. I want to see something. Then you take the bonus again. This 16, you say times of 87. It's going to give us 1392. Hey, I think this one was a killer, because this one worked again yesterday on tea time. I don't know if I did it guys, but there was a quote like this, and I even told you guys that they will bring 39 or 36, and it did come. They also split this number. Okay, perfect. So which means they've used that bonus. So now we go here. You see these numbers repeated. These ones, they repeated. 3 numbers repeat. So what you do if there's something like that, you're going to say 3 plus 3 is a 6. Then you say 6 plus 6 is a 12. 30 plus 30 is 60. So once you've done that, you will see now you've got 6, you've got 12, you've got 60. Which means, because this was orange, this was purple, then this was red. So the main thing that I'm trying to say to you guys, if a number splits, it won't drop on the next row as a whole number, like 36. It won't drop because already it has dropped as a 36. Like for example this one, it has dropped. So what I'm thinking now, this guy is going to spin this number 6, they make it 9. This 12, they make it 21. So I also have a 21 here. Let me just write down my 21. Then when we're done, we go back to those results. These ones, we're going to count like what you always do. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then now we say 3 plus 1 is a 4. 6 plus 2 is an 8. 8 plus 3 is an 11. 3 plus 4 is a 7. Then you say 3 plus 5, that should be an 8. 8 plus 5, that should be let me see, it's a 13. Then you say 4 plus 6, you get 10, plus 6, you get a 16. So 16 dropped as a bonus ball yesterday, which is cool and fine for us. So we're going to pick 11 as our number as well. We put down this 11. I'm gonna show you everything when we are done here. Then now that we are done, we go back now to this chart. We are here now. So our first code was 127. So meaning the second one is 136. I want to show you this. Third one is 128. So Gina does not do a lot of things there. He's going to pick the 27 as a number that you can bank with. Am I clear, team? There's 27. Then we're going to say 1 plus 27, we get 28. 1 minus 27 is 26. We get to this bottom one. We say 13 plus 6, we get a 19. 6 minus 13 is a 7. Because already they used 36. So if I have to add, it gives me 37. If I subtract, it gives me 35, which it has already played. But those numbers are still hot though. Okay, then we say 1 plus 28 is 29, which is also there. So we show off 29. If you say 1 minus 28 is 27. So do you see why I'm picking the 27? Because it has appeared on both chords, this one and the other one. So I guess it's clear now. Then you now say 19, 15, 21, 33, 11. It's an example of how you guys can pair. And then you do this. You take your 27, you take your 27, you take your 27, take your 27, take your 27, then maybe put a 14 there, 27. Then because it's Gina, then you have to split. You understand? Or you have to say 27. This is how you can do the pairing and stuff. I guess I'm done, guys, for this year. It's the end of year. I hope you guys can get something on lunch and tea time. If these numbers don't drop on lunch, definitely they're going to drop on tea. But don't forget to put a 49. Do you understand? I don't want to go deeper into the other calendar strategy because this video will end up 20 minutes and it's hard for you guys maybe to watch. That kind of some of you don't have data. It's not like everyone are forced to buy data, but for those who afford, just make screenshots and even ask someone. You can even take the link, forward it to someone to download the video for you. Guys, please keep safe. Don't drink and drive. Be home with the family. I hope to see you guys next year. Thank you very much.